Understanding the phrase, weekly shop, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, weekly shop. This term might seem simple, but it's a great example of how everyday language can reflect cultural habits. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand not just the meaning, but also the context of weekly shop. Weekly shop refers to the routine of buying groceries and household items once a week. This is a common practice in many countries, where people visit supermarkets or grocery stores to stock up on food, cleaning supplies, and other necessities for the coming week. The term encapsulates not just the act of shopping but also the idea of planning and routine in household management. In many English-speaking countries, doing the weekly shop is a part of normal life. This concept highlights a few cultural points. 1. Planning. People often plan their meals and necessities for the whole week. 2. Convenience and time management. Doing a big shop once a week saves time compared to going to the store daily. 3. Lifestyle. The term also reflects the lifestyle where people balance work, home life, and other responsibilities. Let's see how weekly shop is used in everyday language. I do my weekly shop every Saturday morning. Can you pick up some bread during your weekly shop? Our grocery budget is based on our weekly shop. Notice how the phrase is seamlessly integrated into sentences, reflecting its common usage in everyday conversation. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the term, weekly shop. Remember, learning a language is not just about words but also understanding the cultural practices behind them. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master not just the language but the lifestyle it represents. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.